Hey, this is Jason Wilmot, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Minecraft server up and running from the get-go. So the first place that you're going to want to go is minecraft.net/download. And now I'm setting this up for a Mac, so I'm going to select the Minecraft server.jar file. And I'm actually going to put the download directly on the desktop just to show you how to set up a server. So I'll close that down, and now I am going to create a new folder so things don't get messy here. And then I'm going to drop that jar file in there. Now once you do that, you're kind of on your way to getting started. What you'll need to do then is double click that and you'll start that up. And what you'll do is wait and then you'll shut it down. So after that, you will have this file called the eula.txt file. And what you need to do is open that up and change false and write in true. Once you do that, make sure that you press save and then X out of it. So the server.properties file is the one that we want to get to, but first we actually have to open our jar file one more time. Okay, and so I'm just waiting, and yep, looks like everything started right, so I'll X out of that. And now I can get into my server properties. So your server properties file is where you customize your whole entire server. And so for allow flight, if it's a creative world, I'll have it on true. If it's a survival, then I will have it on false. And for level type, I would just keep that default for now. You can change that in the future. And then next is the server IP. This is the IP that is hosting the game. So type that in there. So the next thing is PvP, or player versus player. You'll want to enable it if you want users to be able to inflict damage on one another, and then false if not. Next is the difficulty. 0 is peaceful, 1, 2, 3, they get progressively harder. Then next is game mode. 0 is survival, 1 is creative. The max players determines how many users can be in the game at once. And that should be everything that you need to do to set up a basic server. Make sure you save your server properties file, and then you can start your jar one more time. So what I'm going to do in the comments below is put in some settings for a survival world that I would typically have and a creative world, and then provide you with a link to Minecraft wiki site that has all the things that you need to know about server properties. Okay, and that is that. Once you are ready, you can direct your multiplayer games towards that IP, and after that, you should be ready to go. As always, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Cheers.